In this video, I'm going to show how you guys can do one simple thing to potentially save you tons of time, stress, and potentially thousands and thousands of dollars. Let's go. What is up, guys, and welcome back to the Prestige Amazon FBA YouTube channel. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Andy. I put out Amazon FBA specific content twice a week. So if you guys are new to the family, I welcome you guys. Welcome. If you guys haven't already checked out the Prestige Amazon FBA Mastermind group on Facebook, please be sure to go do so. There's a direct link down below. And if you haven't already gotten the Prestige Amazon FBA 2019 cheat sheet, that's the first link in the description below as well. But as you guys have seen, and if you guys have checked out the beginning of this video, I do want to go over one simple thing to potentially save you guys thousands of dollars as well as time and stress, and that is just to get your product inspected. Now, if you guys are new to the Amazon FBA business model and business in general, it can be extremely stressful, and one of the most stressful things is just making sure that your product is in good quality, it's in good shape before it's shipped out to the actual Amazon fulfillment centers. You don't want to be having to stress about whether or not your product is actually your product, but actually if it's in good condition before it gets to the fulfillment centers and then eventually to your consumer, nor do you want to have to inspect the product yourself. You don't want to have to ship your entire unit to your house, to look through every single unit before you ship it out to the Amazon fulfillment center and then eventually to your consumer. A big reason why a lot of people choose the Amazon FBA business model is the hands-off factor of the entire business model. You don't want to be having to pick and pack your shipment and ship it out to your customer, and you don't want to have to inspect your products, especially when it's so affordable, you guys. Some of you guys just starting out may be questioning, well, Andy, how do I get my products inspected in China when I personally don't know anybody, or for wherever you guys are sourcing, you don't know anybody in that country? For this video, I'm going to use China as an example, but if you guys don't know anybody in China, how are you going to reach out to somebody to have them look at your product before it's shipped out to the fulfillment centers wherever you guys are selling, for instance, in the USA? And you guys, I just wanted to let you guys know that there's tons and tons of inspection agencies that you can go and hire for a very minimal cost to go to your actual factory or your supplier or your company to actually look at the product before it's shipped out to the actual fulfillment center. Most of the times, these inspection agencies only cost $100 to $150 depending on where your factory is located and depending on where the inspection agency is located per shipment. So this is definitely a very small cost to save you potentially thousands and thousands of dollars just to make sure that the product is in good condition, that the quality is up to your expectations, and it's something that you want to be sent out to the US and something you want to be sent out to your consumer base that you would be satisfied for. And just a general idea of how the inspection works: you would hire somebody to go to the actual factory or wherever you're purchasing your item from. They would go through maybe a few units, usually about 10 to 15% of the entire bulk shipment of your actual inventory to be sent out, and they would go through each individual product. And if you guys need a recommendation for this, definitely comment down below and I'll send you my personal inspection agency. But I can let you guys know that these inspection agencies are so thorough, and they'll send you maybe like a 50-page report of the inspection that they did with pictures included, all the defects. They'll take pictures of defects, they'll remeasure all of your products, reweigh all of your products. They'll give you an exact amount of the number of cartons, measurements of cartons, everything you can imagine they include in a report, and it's usually only $100 to $150. So definitely way worth the investment, especially if you guys are spending thousands and thousands of dollars on a shipment. You guys, only $100 to make sure and stress so much less to ensure that your product is actually your product, it's actually of good quality, and there's no major defects, because you don't want that to be sent to a consumer and have them leave a 1-star review for your product saying that I ordered a pen but they sent me a spatula, and you don't want that to happen. Some huge reasons why I highly suggest that you go with an inspection agency beforehand, just for a small initial investment of $100 to $150, it can save you so much time. If you guys are unsure about your supplier, especially if you guys are working with new suppliers and there isn't that 100% trust up front, you don't know exactly what they're sending into the Amazon fulfillment centers. So the report that you get from the inspection agency will give you that guarantee, will give you that extra, safety cushion to make sure that what you had instructed the supplier to help you put out is actually what you had intended it to be. So there's no guesswork. You're not guessing if the supplier had, did you wrong in any way, had sent you a wrong product, had lowered the quality of your product that you had expected. Another thing is it's just a lot less stressful since you have that proof and since you've paid the inspection agency to show you all of that data up front and show you all of those images and everything, just to make sure that, again, what you had intended is actually what you had purchased. It's so much less stressful and you get to make sure everything is on point with what you had envisioned. Again, because of how just hiring an inspection agency has saved you time and stress, it also in turn saves you potentially a lot of money. You don't want your supplier to be shortcutting you and sending you something that's extremely low quality into the Amazon warehouse and then you selling those items and it could end up ruining your entire business and that entire shipment, costing you thousands and thousands of dollars. So again, I highly suggest you guys just to spend that extra $100 to $150, especially it's just a fraction of your entire shipment, and I guarantee you it will save your entire inventory and shipment and potentially your business if you just put up that money up front just to have your shipment inspected. But hopefully this video helped you guys out. Again, my name is Andy. I put out Amazon FBA content twice a week. If you guys need that recommendation for a supplier, all you guys need to do is comment down below, supplier or something, and I'll reach out to you guys and I'll share with you guys my personal supplier. And if you guys are interested in a free 30-minute coaching call, all you guys need to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, #PrestigeAmazonFBA. And if you guys have any questions, as always, drop them down in the comments below as well. If you guys have an Instagram, I post daily on my Instagram on Amazon FBA specific topics as well. You can find that in the description, or you can search at the official Andy Lam on Instagram. But until next time, I'll catch you guys at the next video. Peace.